Hey YouTube, St. Frank here. Today, this is probably the last 2016 Star Wars High Tech that I open. Just have not really ever hit anything good out of this. I mean, hit anything huge. Had some nice autos that I liked, but nothing big, so it's probably going to be the last one I buy of this. Picked this up at a card show for a good deal, so that was why I got these. Okay, there's the one pack. You get one autograph per box. There's one pack in a box. Let's see if we got anything. Alright. So we got Sarko Plank. I got Klaatu. Ooh, that would have been an awesome autograph to get. Kadel Ko-Connix. Unkar Plut. Klaatu again. R2-D2. That would be a great autograph to get. Oh, there's our auto. Major Brants, Eamon Elliott, and Ayane. So this Ko-Connix is out of 99 blue. And there's our auto. I have an autograph of this character from, I think it was episode 7, the Chrome set. So, not super thrilled, but it is, I don't have this card anyway. And, like I said, that would have been really awesome to get this autograph, but not to be. Alright, stay tuned for more videos later.